Hello, grade nines. Welcome to week 5 of online learning. It's really hard to believe that this is our 5th week of doing this. But as always, I'm going to congratulate you on doing a great job of keeping up. I hope you are not finding it too much work. I'm trying to give you as much information as I can to get you best prepared for grade 10. And the stuff that's coming back is really, really excellent. So I'm really impressed with how things are going. I just want to take a second and look at our April calendar. It's amazing when you actually have it all in one place, the amount of work that you guys have done. And I've tried to keep it as best I could to just 3 things a week. And we've been able to get through quite a lot of material. In fact, after this week, we'll be done Unit 4, which means we've done 2 complete units virtually, which is very great. Okay. So last week you started Unit 4. We did some Cartesian plane stuff, direct variations, and slope, and started learning about rise over run. That slope work is going to be important for today's lesson on Monday and the stuff you're going to be doing this week. We had a Google Meet, an optional Google Meet on Thursday. Only a couple of students came, which was fine. I just wanted to point out one of the things that you missed. I introduced a class Jamboard. So a Jamboard is like a Google Doc, but it's more of a whiteboard opportunity for you to come and write all over it and things like that. So here's an example of something that I did with some students in class where I took a question about doing slope, and I was able to do a little teaching and show you exactly where it comes from and getting questions and answers. And this little interactive whiteboard is going to be something that I think I'm going to use more often as a chance for you to answer any questions or do any extra help. Very easy to set up and something that's a lot of fun. So if you want more information about the Jamboards, I would encourage you to come to this week's Google Meet. What else is on schedule for this week? Well, let's go back to our classroom. Remember, the best way to find our stuff is under classwork, and you will see the stuff for this week. First thing I want you to point out is that we are skipping a couple of days. So we're going to do Unit 4, Day 4 here on the slope formula, but we're going to skip Day 5. We'll do Day 6, and we're going to skip Day 7. And then the really exciting thing is what I have planned for you for Day 8. So if you go and check out our class calendar, you'll see what I've got planned for the week. Remember, I'm going to post everything on Monday so you can decide what works best for you. This is just a suggested time frame for the week. But we can do Day 4 on Monday. You could do Day 6 on Tuesday. You can see there's just a couple of questions for you to try here and a Google Doc for you to attempt. These questions here, I'm going to ask you to scan them and send them to me. So there's a little bit of instructions about how to use your phone as a scanner. That is the best way to submit work. Taking pictures involves bigger quality and a larger size file. And actually the quality in a picture is almost too good because you get all the background stuff. A scan is much better. So there's instructions on the Day 4 lesson about scanning your work using your phone. It doesn't matter. There's a way to do it with an iPhone or an Android phone. Scan it, submit it to me that way. So that's going to be our first attempt to try and submit some questions that you actually write out. Okay. Day 6 will be a Google Doc, so you'll just be typing in. But the exciting one that I've got planned is we're going to try a live lesson on Thursday at 12 o'clock. So what we're going to do is I'm going to encourage you to come to Google Meet at 12 o'clock on Thursday, and I'm going to do a very brief live lesson. And I'm going to try and add some incentive. If you come in and check out the live lesson on Thursday at 12 o'clock, your Google slideshow will have 2 answers done for you. Okay? If you can't make it or decide not to come, then your slideshow will only have 1. So in this live lesson, I will be doing half of your homework with you. And so if you attend, you'll get an assignment with half of your homework done. So that's going to be the motivation to come. And we're going to test out the Jamboard and test out the Google Meet. So hopefully we can see you all on Thursday at 12 o'clock. If not, there's going to be a short video that I'm going to post on Monday explaining the first part of that lesson. But if you come on Thursday, you'll get half of your homework done for you. Okay, so there's my motivation and hopefully something exciting we can try this week. and then we're going to be finished Unit 4, and that's it. No unit test, no call me activity. These 3 little small activities you do throughout the week is going to count for your work for Unit 4. Okay, so that's all the exciting stuff we have to look forward to this week. I really hope that you'll be able to join me on Thursday at 12 o'clock for our live lesson, and enjoy doing all the rest of the math. Take care.